Hi, Tony Kishawi here, and I'm inviting you to the very last Zoom session. Now, I said I was going to do four. We're at the number four, and there might be some more. I'm not too sure. But what I've got now is that I'm working on the high status. So I've been talking about low status and all the clowning antics and the ensemble work that's necessary to work with low status characters. So now we're going to be just concentrating on the high status characters, the doctor, the captain, the pantalone. So I've got exercises which I've tried many times, and I find ways to get the students to find the nonsense talking, jargon talking doctor, or pantalone, how to get the miserly old man and the high status that comes with that, and of course El Capitano, the character that thinks he's God's gift to women. Of course, these exercises I've used many times, and I'd like to offer them to you so you can take them away, some hands-on activities that you can take and use straight away in this next Zoom session. Now, what I'd like to also announce is that for everyone who registered for my Zoom, I'd like to offer a discount of my book. It's being reprinted at the moment. It's called Teaching Commedia dell'Arte, and it's only my life's work in there because I put all of my teachings, all of my exercises together in that one book, and it'll be available in about 2 weeks' time. So if anyone's interested in that, I'll give you a discount. So put your name down, register, turn up if you can at this time slot, and I'll see you on Wednesday, 7 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. Thank you. Bye-bye.